Frustrated because Monopoly Go isn't working on your device? Let's get you back in the game. First, understand why this happens. Older operating systems, insufficient RAM, or outdated device architecture can prevent Monopoly Go from running. Start by checking your device's operating system. Go into your phone settings and look for About Phone or System. Then check software information or Android version and iOS version respectively. If your iOS isn't up to date, that's often the culprit. Update your phone's operating system to the latest version available. This can be found in the System Update section of your settings. A newer OS often brings compatibility for newer apps. Next, clear the cache and data for the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Find apps in your settings. Then locate the specific App Store, tap on it, select Storage, and choose Clear Cache, then Clear Data. This can resolve temporary glitches, preventing installation. After clearing the cache, restart your device. This refreshes your system and can fix minor software conflicts. Once restarted, try downloading Monopoly Go again from the official App Store. This often resolves compatibility messages by giving your device a fresh start. If official methods don't work and you're certain your device meets minimum requirements, consider freeing up storage space. A full device can sometimes incorrectly report compatibility issues. Delete unnecessary apps, photos, or videos to make room. With these steps, you should be able to enjoy Monopoly Go without any more compatibility hurdles.